Hey champions, welcome to Wonderful Wednesday. We're going to continue with our fives for the next 2 days. Today we're going to do multiplication, which most of you are probably excited about because you guys love to do the fives. Here are the two lessons, 2 for times and 2 for divide. We've already done these lessons, but you could review them, and then you could take a look at division, 4.4 and 4.5. Here are your rules again for multiplication of 0 and times 1. Here's your times table in case you need it. 50, 55, 60 are the 2 missing because we go to times 12. Alright, let's fill out our information. So I'm going to keep doing skip counting because repeated addition at this point, it just takes too long. So you guys need to know your rolling numbers. So anything times 0 is 0, and then we're going to roll our numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Take a deep breath. Huh. So of course you notice there's a pattern. The ones place is either going to be 5 or 0, and it rotates 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0 all the way. And then you also have your tens place, which goes from 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, then it would keep going, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, etc., etc. Hey, Broncos, I'm here to do the fives, which is kind of your favorite, so you guys can follow along with me. All right, Dukes up. Broncos, here we go. Let me see your fingers roll. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Take a deep breath. Whoa. So make sure you're following. You should end with 10, 11, 12 fingers. Enjoy. All right, let's use our rolling fives to help us. So 5 times what number gives us 30? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Stop. How many fingers did I put up? 6. Roll your fives until you get to 15. 5, 10, 15. Stop. How many fingers are up? 3. Roll your numbers, 5 until you get to 0. Well, nothing's going to get you there, so times 0. Roll your fives till you get to 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Stop. How many fingers? 5. Roll your fives till you get to 10. 5, 10. Stop. How many fingers? 2. Roll your fives till you get to 5. 5. How many fingers? 1. So that one was pretty fast. Remember to roll your fingers until you say the quotient, the answer. Okay, we're going to write an equation and solve. 3 children are playing soccer together. They each brought 5 balls. How many soccer balls do they have all together? So 3 kids each bring 5 balls, 3 times 5. So let's roll our fives 3 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Stop. Oops. We need to do 5 3 times. 5, 10, 15. Stop. Should be 15 soccer balls. So if something doesn't sound right, just start over and roll your numbers again. Next one. The Smith family has 5 family members. Each person has 3 bath towels and 2 small towels. How many towels hang in the bathroom? So they have 3 plus 2 towels. They have 5 towels. So 5 family members with 5 towels. Let's roll our fives 5 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Stop. Next, the Jones family ordered 5 pizzas to eat. Each pizza is sliced into 8 parts. How many pizza slices do they get? 5 pizza, each with 8 parts. Let's roll our 5 8 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 pizza slices. You can try these as we go along. The town has 5 post offices. In each post office there are 10 workers. How many workers does the do the post offices have in total? 5 times 10. So let's roll our fives 10 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 workers. That's a lot of people. And last but not least, Grandma brought 5 egg cartons and each had a dozen eggs. That's normal. We know that. How many total eggs does Grandma have? So remember, how much is a dozen? 12. So 5 times 12. Roll your 5s 12 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Take a deep breath. All right, now it's your turn. You're going to see how many you can get in a minute. You should be able to do a lot with your 5s because you guys seem to love your 5s. Here are all of them. You can go either direction. To me, you get more if you go this way, but you can go down, doesn't matter. Totally up to you. Once you're done, you might want to try to finish them all, just to challenge yourself to see if you know all of them. Remember, even though the 12 is first, I'd like you to roll the 5. So whichever number, start with the 5 and then roll however many the other number is. And here are your 5 word problems. We have Solomon in our word problem, Tihani. Thank you all for joining us for these word problems. Remember what the word pairs mean. Figure out how many wheels a unicycle has. You might need to ask a parent, but I'm just challenging you. Think about what the word uni might mean. Just like the other day, tri and tricycle meant 3 wheels. A unicycle has a certain number of wheels. And here's that dozen again. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for a division. Roll your numbers. Keep practicing.